Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm teaching you all about buttermilk substitutes. One of the most frequently asked questions I get on my website is asking about buttermilk substitutes. Today I'll be sharing 5 different substitute options, and that will include dairy-free options as well. Now, traditionally, buttermilk refers to the liquid left over after churning butter made from fermented cream. In today's grocery stores, you find cultured buttermilk, and it's made from the naturally occurring bacteria that is found normally in milk. For the first option, you'll need a lemon, or you can use bottled lemon juice. You'll need 1 cup of regular milk, and you can use 2%, 1%, whole milk. It really doesn't matter, although I would stay away from skim milk. To that, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. That's it. You're going to let this sit for 5 minutes, and the other 2 options are similar. You take 1 cup of milk and add in 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar for this one. And for the third option, you'll grab some good old cream of tartar and add in 1 3/4 teaspoon to this. And for the cream of tartar option, it does help if you give that a quick stir. I promised dairy-free options, and the good news is that with all 3 of these methods, you can use dairy-free alternative milks like almond milk or oat milk. If we take a look at our lemon juice option, you'll see that bubbles have started to form on top and the milk has almost started to curdle. And the exact same thing is happening to our vinegar option. On the other hand, our cream of tartar option has stayed nice and milky. With the lemon and vinegar options, you may even notice that there are chunks as you pour it. Don't worry though, because that is exactly what we're looking for. Now you'll need to adjust and scale this based on how much buttermilk the recipe calls for, and for the most precise and accurate measurement, you'll need to remove 1 tablespoon of liquid to the ones that you added a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Our fourth option is actually 2 options. You'll need either sour cream or plain Greek-style yogurt. You'll mix 3/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt with 1/4 cup of milk to thin it out. Use a whisk to combine it, and then you can use this right away. No need to let it sit. The 5th option is really just a bonus option. No need to even show you. You can just use a plain American-style yogurt, which is already thinned out. And there you have it. One of these options should work for you. Or you can just stick to buying regular cultured buttermilk at the grocery store. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written instructions in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.